guys,
welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna talk about how it all started, how are we related to each other, and many more things.
Yeah.
So let's go.
I'm gonna be asking some questions. Do you remember the first time we met?
Who would like to go first?
I think Bhavi should go first, considering she's
I'm
the
the
reason.
one who started everything.
I'm the foundation of this relationship, basically.
So
Okay. So it all started back in 2016 when I met my now husband, then boyfriend. So he was a classmate of mine. We were in college together in the same class. And he was this nerdy guy who was always into his books and never used to pay attention to anything else. And I saw him for the first time in some random, I don't, through some random application that I wanted to install, and the application being Pokemon Go. So all thanks to that. So that was the game that we were all crazy about back then. So it all started with Pokemon Go, and we became friends gradually. And I had made my mind that I'm gonna marry this guy. So long story short, we started dating in 2016, and that is how this story began, because that is how all the events have happened. So I met him, and then there was his cousin who was also in the same division as ours.
correct.
We are all of the same age. So Miti is Vidhan's real sister.
Yeah.
So through Vidhan, I obviously met her, and she was also in the same college. We're all Enemites, basically. So we are in the same college. So that is how I met Miti.
Correct.
Shout out to NM.
Shout out to NM. Yeah, I mean, we are so grateful.
Yeah,
Well,
definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, the foundation was in NM.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. And for those who don't know, Ayushi is actually my sister.
Drum rolls.
Yeah. So our mothers are real sisters.
Correct.
Yeah.
And she was also in NM. So that is how it all began. Me, my boyfriend's brother, and my sister. All four of us in the same
College.
in the same college, and we all in FY BCom when it all started.
Yeah.
So I obviously knew Maher, who is Vidhan's first cousin. So their fathers are real brothers.
Correct.
Yeah, so that is how they are related. They are paternal cousins, we are maternal cousins. So I knew Maher and I knew Ayushi, obviously. So it was a very natural thing for me to do.
What you did?
Is that I used to tease Ayushi with Maher.
Yeah.
And I was trying so hard to convince Ayushi that, he's a nice guy. You should meet him, get things started, basically.
And she was so successful and convincing that she literally ended up marrying that guy.
Yeah.
So, 2 years later, it was Vidhan's birthday, 9th October 2018.
Yeah.
And I wanted to spend the day with him, basically. I wanted to go to his house at midnight, surprise him, and, have a sleepover along with all of our friends, not just the two of us. But I wanted to go to Vidhan's house, and I had to convince my mother for that.
Every teenage permission issues.
Yeah,
Of course. So that is when an idea struck my mind, is that I'll take Ayushi along. You should come, Vidhan. It's his birthday. Please come. We'll spend the night there. You'll have fun. And
Yeah.
Ayushi, would you like to take it forward?
Yeah, I'll continue after that what happened.
The
So-
best part of the story, guys. It's
Yeah.
coming up.
So basically, Vidhan and Maher are also the same age as she mentioned, and Maher is just like 2-3 months elder, and
Yeah.
Vidhan is the younger one. So that is how basically I am the Jethani here,
Yeah.
and she is the Devrani
So
here.
I am the elder sister. Ayushi is the younger sister. But Maher is the elder brother, and Vidhan
Yeah.
is the younger brother.
Yeah.
So that is how elder sister, younger sister, but Jethani and Devrani.
Yeah, and both of us are like 6 months apart.
6 months
Okay, so
apart.
we have technically grown up together.
Yeah.
Like right from the start till the very end. And also one thing is that we used to stay very close by, very close
Next
by.
building.
Next building, yeah. So we've always been together, and after we got married, So these people, like, they stay in the same society but in different buildings. Okay, so
Yeah.
all of us are technically still staying together.
Together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, okay, I going back to the storyline. So Bhavi was like, "Why don't you come along?"
Yeah.
And I knew Vidhan, of course. I knew Vidhan because these people are dating. So I was like,
Yeah.
okay, fine, let me just go. But me being an introvert, I didn't want to. Okay, I just went because she was like, okay, chalo, let's go. It will be fun and all. And I was like, I'm not going with the intention of having fun. Okay, I was like, I'm just going to wish him and then sleep by maybe 1 or 2 and get done with it, and it will be all good. And then I see Maher. Okay, and I knew Maher, and this girl was behind me. Ki, Arey, acha ladka hai, this, that, maybe you should look at him once. And I was like, okay, fine, but I was never interested. Okay. And then I meet Maher, and Maher is completely opposite of what I
Yeah.
am. Totally extrovert and talks with everybody, gets along. The funny kind of group who is, cracking some jokes and people are laughing. And I'm like, so I was like, dude, like, this guy is completely extrovert and there's no way I can gel along. So then I was like, okay, fine, let's just see what happens. Let's just talk and all. But I didn't talk. Okay, I never wanted to talk and I didn't talk. And there were like 2, 3 instances where he was like, he was not trying to talk, but he started mocking me. So I got even more mad. I'm
Pissed.
like, yeah, I was
Guys,
pissed.
mocking runs in our family.
Yeah. I think we kind of understood that mocking and bullying is your love language.
No, we don't bully
It is
anybody.
their love language.
Can you please not say that? Guys, please, we don't bully
In a
anybody.
fun way, yeah.
Ha, then it's okay.
In a fun way, obviously, not.
But we are more
bully.
loving than actually like bullying them.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. So he tried to bully me for like on 1, 2 instances. Okay. And then I was very sure, भाई इससे तो बात करनी ही नहीं है, because I was so pissed. I was like, there's no way I can talk to him. But then things changed.
Things
and
happen.
eventually we started talking. Basically, just to give a brief, what happened was, tabhi we used to use a lot of Snapchat. Okay. So he had sent me a friend request saying, like, just to add me on Snapchat. And I was like, okay, fine, let's just add him. And तभी हमारी streak चलती थी like 15-20 लोगों के साथ. And if you make somebody your friend, तो वो person वो पहले आ जाता है, right? So while I was sending everybody जिसके साथ मेरी streak थी, yeah,
Mistakenly.
he sent Maher something. Okay, it was
Mistakenly.
I swear. So mistakenly, I sent something. It was, I think I was having some dessert, and I sent that picture across
Waffle.
to him. Yeah, and then we started talking, and then just things got better after that. And here we are, married.
Cut to.
Cut
6 years
to-
later.
Yeah, 7, more than
Mm,
7
7.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they have had their stories like that only, like started somewhere, then they went somewhere, and then again
Things
they ended.
happened.
Yeah,
Life happened.
life
Yeah.
happened, and luckily they ended up together.
Together.
I mean,
Yeah.
that would have been the best part for me, at least. I was like wanting that to happen since so many years, but
Yeah.
it took time. But I'm glad that time was worth it, and here
But
they
there
are.
was this one factor, one supporting actor in our story, which is Miti.
Yeah, true.
Like
right,
without
true.
Miti, I don't think
This
it
would have
been this easy.
Yeah, it was
you know?
very easy.
I'll take that because
Yeah.
I mean I have tried my level best to like talk to both of them because they have had their ups and downs, and any relationship goes through that. But I'm more than happy, and I feel that I'm so lucky that they found themselves back to each other. And I mean, for her, it was always there. I
We
mean,
met in college only, right?
Yeah.
Or no, at Vedant's
Vedant's
place.
birthday party, yeah.
Yeah. But I knew her since the very beginning.
I
We
mean,
have clicked
It's
like
the-
instantly.
Exactly. I was just about to say that.
Yeah.
We like have clicked. I have like clicked with her also that way, clicked with her
Yeah,
also that
true.
way. And me being an extrovert, like I am not extrovert, I am
helps.
over extrovert.
Yeah.
So if you keep me like in between like 100 people, at least I'll move out with 2 best friends from that.
She
So
will.
for me,
Yeah.
it was very easy. So I mean, I never found it challenging to talk to them.
So that is how this bond, like, I don't know how it grew so big, but it was very natural.
Yeah,
Exactly.
It's very
It never felt very formal, like she's my boyfriend's sister and I don't know what she'll think about me, or I don't. It was
Nothing
never
like-
like that. It was so
yeah.
chill with her. I mean, and
Yeah.
they're a chill family. Basically, everyone in their family is like
It's
that.
very
It's
chill. Miti is so unfiltered. We never feel like we need to
True.
behave a certain
हाँ,
way around.
मतलब
her.
ननंद भाभी जैसा कुछ है
है
ही
ही
नहीं.
रखा
We
ही
are
नहीं
like
हमने.
friends actually.
Yeah,
who
yeah,
are-
I mean.
who get to live together.
So moving on to the next question, guys.
What was your first impression of us?
I mean,
How did they land these?
yeah.
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 Yeah,
Considering my two brothers who are useless, I don't know how did they land up with these two women. So for me, the impression for her was like, okay, she does look pretty. She is somebody. I mean, is good for my brother, and like when I say good for my brother, the bond that I had from her was very natural. It just clicked. I didn't have to put any kind of efforts.
Yeah.
And same with her, I had to never put any kind of efforts to gel with them. Okay,
I think why it also is like this, because basically we are of the same age.
Yeah.
so also
Hardly a year's gap.
difference. Yeah, definitely.
So that also makes a big difference. Like 5 kids, all of the same
Same
age,
age,
living in the
and
same
same house.
society, same college, same everything. So that bond obviously grows.
Grew,
It's
yeah,
a
and-
madhouse.
madhouse,
It's a
exactly. And also with that, I have to also say that being of the same age or like around that circle, it also helps me a lot, because there
Yeah.
are some things that if my mother is trying to tell me, I won't listen to her. I
But
won't
then
listen to her. But
that-
then
I
the
tell her.
age, yeah, the age makes it very relatable. So
Yeah.
maybe I would want to listen to what she's trying to say. So having both of them around makes my life a little easier. And because also I have grown up around 4 boys.
Yeah.
4 boys. There were only 2 sisters. So one of my sister is married, and she got married back in 2019. So
Yeah.
then I was the alone girl child in between
With 4
boys.
brothers.
Yeah.
So then obviously I never
She was
had
craving
that.
for some sister.
Yeah, I never had that blessing of having a sister around me like 24/7. So having them actually made it like, okay, now I've got somebody who I can go and talk to, if I am facing any problems, or maybe when I want to talk about something, I won't have to like think before. I don't have to like even
Yeah.
give a thought, okay, whether can I go and talk to them or not.
It's
It just
a no
just
filter
no filter
conversation.
conversation, exactly. So I just go to them, I just talk to them. So that way it makes really easier for me to like
Get along.
get along. It makes my life easier.
But that's the same case with us
Us
also. Like
also, yeah.
having a nanand in the same house who understands, who is of the same
Same
age.
age.
So
makes
if
a
I
lot.
want anything, if I'm hesitant to ask my mother-in-law, I can always go to her.
With Ayushi also, it came out in a very natural way for her also. I didn't have to like again pretend to go and talk to her or something like that. I know we met at a very later stage, but I met Bhavi before, but still it didn't take me time to gel with her. So moving on to the third question.
I think we've all answered this one also. What makes our bond different from others?
I think there are 2-3 points I would like to add is that maybe we never thought about it to keep it that way.
Yeah.
Like formal.
Formal,
yeah.
right? I feel that it was pretty chill from the start only.
और हम दोनों के लिए तो
अभी
it's the most easiest.
I
We
mean,
spent our entire life
guys,
together.
there's nothing. So my brothers they have all played घर घर. मतलब
Actually-
क्या है? Why?
Actually, we played
इसका साथ हो गया तो इसने इसका उसके साथ करा दिया. I mean, what is that, guys?
चलना वही घर में मजा करेंगे. But it's fun. We recommend it.
Totally. 100%.
Yeah.
What do you guys have to say on that?
I think it makes it so much easier
Yeah.
कि अगर किधर जाना भी है तो मैं अकेली बहू नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ और एक बहू है,
Exactly.
तो हम दोनों में थोड़ा टेंशन डिवाइड हो जाता है. So it's
That's
easy.
true, that's true.
And especially in like family gatherings, we both are obviously there to support each other, but this girl is also there.
Also, the best part for them is that because they have grown up together
Literally
before
played Ghar Ghar
Ghar
together.
Ghar,
Yes.
and now they get to do that same thing here also, even after getting married. I mean, what
What
more would
better,
you
yeah.
want in life,
From
guys?
playing Ghar Ghar to
Actually
actually
doing Ghar
doing
Ghar.
Ghar Ghar.
Yeah.
And
We've
I
come
mean,
a long way.
Seriously.
I mean, that's the best part, guys. I mean, what would anyone want more? That because you guys are already together from the start, now you get to do the same thing even after being married. That's a very big blessing to have, guys.
Also, like one more thing. So we got married like 10 days
10
apart,
days
okay?
apart.
And she got to attend my
My-
wedding from her sasural.
Yeah. So I was from the लड़की
लड़की
side
side
and
and
the
लड़का
लड़का
side.
side. So मैं बारात में भी गई हूँ और मैं इसके मेहंदी में भी गई. So मेरे एक हाथ में लड़की वाले और एक हाथ में लड़के वाले लिखा था basically.
Yeah.
Because I was like, how can I choose?
And same with me. Like I went to dance in the barat, and then I was from ladki wale side, and it was so much fun.
It was
so much fun. Like we had the best time. Best
Exactly.
time.
Yeah.
So that's there.
Yeah.
I have just cried all through the wedding,
Yeah,
guys.
she has.
But I mean, I'm happy that these two women are there around me more than anything.
We are happy to
be here.
More than my brothers, I'm happy to have them.
That's
Because
true.
my brothers are useless. They wouldn't understand what I'm trying to tell
No, they're
them.
not that useless.
I mean,
Come
for
on.
them, no, but for them, it not be useless.
They're very
because
nice people.
They are
Disclaimer.
very
They are
nice
the best.
I
Okay.
mean,
Vedant.
Maher.
guys, guys,
No
for me, I'm saying, for them, their perspective changes. For me,
They're
they are useless. I have grown up around 4 brothers. Can you understand? Can you imagine the amount of torture I might have gone through?
Torture.
I mean, 4 brothers. What? I never understood. Okay, so if anytime if I have to understand the sister perspective, I would never be able to understand, because being around 4 brothers, you are kind of a bhai, another bhai. Oh, क्या ये भी मैं यही करूँगी. अरे भाई ऐसा. So I feel that sister perspective never came to me, but I think I might have kind of what to say, like understood the sister perspective now, having these two around. So yeah, I mean, they do really help me
So it's
make my
actually
life easier.
Opposite for us, because you've grown around brothers and we've
We've
grown
grown
around
around
sisters.
sisters,
Like
yeah.
I have an
Yeah.
elder sister, and we three were so close. Like we used to go out together,
Yeah.
and she was kind of our second mother.
Yeah.
Actually,
She
she's
still is.
She is a second mother to me. Like I'm more scared of her than my own mother. So it's like it's completely opposite for us. So for us to be here is like we have got another sister now.
Yeah. It's a girl gang now.
Yeah,
in
it's
the
a girl
Doshis.
gang. Yeah. It's great.
Yeah,
It's fun.
definitely it's fun. Do you guys want to say anything more?
We hope there is more clarity on who is related to
Yeah.
who and
Yeah.
why are these three sisters coming on our channel, coming on our YouTube and Instagram page every single day, because that's what we love doing. We are crazy people, and
We just want to portray how we
Yeah.
are behind
And
the
also, we
camera.
would want you all to be a part of it. I think you might have pretty much understood where
the dynamics.
what are the
Dynamics, yeah.
dynamics, from where it all started, how are we related to each other, and how are this both also related to each other, because that was the biggest this thing of
Surprise
element of who are these two.
Yeah.
And how did it
देवरानी
all
जेठानी
end?
का इतना कैसे बन रहा है?
हाँ भाई.
इसलिए बन रहा है.
And like exactly now you know why you have to subscribe us. You know now why you have to keep watching us, because this is exactly what content you are getting from us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So please,
Stay tuned.
guys, stay tuned.
Okay, so I think that's it from us, and we hope you enjoyed this video, and we would love to make many more such videos. So
Do let us know
yeah.
what you all want
Yeah,
to see.
let us know in the comments what would you want to know more about us.
like, share, and subscribe, guys.
House of
Yay.
Doshis.
House of
Guys.
Doshis.
Signing off.
Signing off.